Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru ikoretwo ikiaramia thibitari munene wa Nakuru referral kuria riu gwakitwo ruhonge rungi rwa kurigita andu makiinukaga wakiuria uhuthirite shiringi milioni 600 kuria nakio gikundi kia USAID kihurite njeki thibitari uyu na shiringi bilioni 3 iria ikuhuthika hari kugura indo iria irabatarania ruhonge-ini ruru rweru. Thibitari uyu wa Nakuru ukoretwo gitungata arwaru kuma kaunti itanyihiire 8 iria ni hamwe na Bomet, Kericho, Samburu, Baringo, Nyandarua na Laikipia gatagati kaingi kuria o muthenya andu matanyihiire 2,000 matungatagirwo thibitari-ini uyu. Akiaria thutha wa gwikiranira ngirimiti na Standard Medical Group gikundi kiria giguteithiriria hari kugacirithia thibitari uyu, Governor wa kaunti ino Susan Kihika augite waramia wa thibitari uyu ni undu ukoretwo mubango-ini wake, akiuga thibitari nyingi mwena uyu ni irabatara kwambatirio ikiro iri ta njira ya kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi.
The Health Transformation Program, the County Government of Nakuru and Standard Group will oversee the procurement, supply and installation of medical equipment, construction of physical infrastructure improvements to the hospital, supply and installation of the digital healthcare transformation and operation infrastructure.
Through this partnership, Nakuru County Health Department will be highly equipped and will leverage cutting-edge technologies to streamline healthcare processes, enhance diagnostic capabilities and improve patient outcomes.
Kihika augite ruhonge ruru rweru no rugukorwo rukiheana mathomo morigiti na oho gutigirira ni kwagia na sesheni ya motungata ma radiotherapy niguo arwaru makona motungata mothe hamwe.
Committing 40% of our budget towards the health sector has prioritized partnerships with development partners in order to upgrade existing facilities within public hospitals, improve systems of delivery of services, expand the services provided by our hospitals, as well as introduce cutting-edge technology and systems.
Kaunti ino ya Nakuru iri na thibitari 184 iria ni cia kuma gikiro kia dispensary nginyagia level 5. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa MWIRI.